And when you look at the men who built America, Vanderbilt was one of the original pioneers of the train. And I wanted to come out here because this just shows entrepreneurship at its greatest, I'm not gonna say its greatest level, but at the beginning. And then when we look back and we see this, right? You see the Atlanta skyline, you see Midtown, you see downtown, right? You see success. Atlanta is turning into a Hollywood, man. And all you gotta do is just tap in, man. You gotta tap in, you gotta be able to realize that, hey, look, all the information that you need is right around you. You just gotta get the ideas out of your head and turn it into income. So I heard somebody talk about turn idea into income. I was like, man, that's a really good concept, but that's literally what you gotta do. So when it comes to your personal finances, it's no different. You gotta find the people who have already demonstrated the results in their life, then apply those same principles that they've done and demonstrated that work in your life, and then you'll get the results. So if you're looking to start your business, if you're looking to get your business funded, if you're looking to figure out how to set up your trust, start creating generational wealth, I got the blueprint for you. The first thing you gotta do though is start with your credit. Start with your cash flow, and then put a game plan in place to start getting money from the banks. So I got my money team. Do I got my money team with me? No, I think I left my money. No, I do got my money team with me. I'm gonna show y'all. So look at this, guys. Look at this. All of these cards. It's ridiculous, right? I don't want you guys to see some of the card numbers, but I just want you guys to see that, like, yo, like when I say I do this, I do this. Like, I do this. But this wasn't overnight. This wasn't just get rich quick. This was follow a strategic, systematic way. And if you want to be able to get no limit cards, 5,000, 11,000, no limit, 10,000, 5,000, 50,000. I think you get the picture. If you want to be able to do that, you've got to be able to get the blueprint, because all of this stuff out here, I guarantee you, that wasn't bought using cash. That was bought just using bigger versions of these cards that I have in my hand. And what I see over there is millions of dollars, millions, probably hundreds of millions of dollars in equipment and assets that they can turn right back around and leverage to go get more money from the banks. But the other thing is I see cash flow, I see net worth, I see legacy. So I started by talking about how Vanderbilt started this, but I'm pretty sure you can see J.W. Hunt, and you can see all these different companies. That was somebody's vision. That was somebody's dream, right? Those buildings out there was somebody's vision. That was somebody's dream, and they executed it. Even right there, Clark Truck Repair. That was somebody's vision. That was somebody's dream. That's building somebody's legacy. So all you gotta do is tap in to figure out what is my dream. But the most beautiful thing about it is, if you set your company up in the right way, you can start with about $250,000 to $1 million of this, leverage it strategically, and create a cash flow producing asset that's going to secure your family's future, right? And that's all I got, man. But that's how you want to think about this.